Hello and welcome to OTC, the online trading course. Today we will be reviewing the different market indexes. There are more than a few indexes to trade on, but first let's explain what is a market index. The S&P 500, NASDAQ, Dow Jones, Russell, and Wilshire are all examples of a market index. An index tries to provide a representative snapshot that shows the direction that the overall market is headed. Some indexes try to represent small, medium, and large companies, while others tend to track companies within a certain sector, like technology. Companies can be listed in more than one index. The S&P 500. This index tracks 500 large U.S. companies across a wide span of industries and sectors. The stocks in the S&P 500 represent roughly 70% of all the stocks that are publicly traded. Dow Jones Industrial Average, or DJIA, named after Charles Dow, this index tracks the 30 largest U.S. companies. Although the companies within the Dow Jones represent only about 25% of all stocks, the DJIA is widely accepted as the leading indicator of market health. The Wilshire 5000. This index represents up to 5,000 companies of all shapes and sizes. The Wilshire 5000 is also called the Total Market Index. Strangely, despite how representative this index is, it isn't nearly as popular or as followed as the Dow Jones and the S&P 500. The Russell 2000 tracks only the smallest companies. The index follows 2,000 of the smallest players in the stock market. The NASDAQ. This one is a little bit confusing. NASDAQ refers to both an index and a trading exchange. The NASDAQ Market Index, which is known as the NASDAQ Composite, tracks the 3,000 companies that are traded on the NASDAQ exchange. This is unusual because no other exchange has its own popular index. Stocks that are traded on the NASDAQ exchange tend to be tech companies like Apple and Google. The NASDAQ also trades some banking companies, airline companies, and even a few non-tech businesses. The NASDAQ Composite has grown popular because it's commonly accepted as an indicator of how tech sector and innovative companies, both big and small, are doing. That concludes our market indexes lesson. Thanks for watching. We invite you to check out our other lessons on our YouTube channel.